Hi, Namaste. This is Ganesh. Welcome to our Cosmic Yoga. Today's yoga, Cowface Kapalapathi asana. Cowface. If you sit in cowface posture, automatically your mind gets calmness. Kapala means skull. Pati means purification. Purification in your brain cells. When you are doing this posture, stimulate in your brain cells. Benefits wise, improves your concentration and stimulate in your 72,000 nadis. This asana clears sinus issues. Many people say always sneezing. Just they are looking down, automatically the water content is coming through the nostril. So this asana clears unwanted water content, especially in the face and your head also. So you get a very fresh, you get a proper glowing face. Not only this, and many people affecting migraine, anyone affecting the migraine issues, you do continue practice this Kapalapathi, it's give you a proper result and improves your lung capacity. You get a proper oxygen and a clear to a hunchback. It's very good for your back, especially the lower back. Strengthen in your hip, very good for the genital organs and very good for the knees, joints. Single asana, but so many benefits. You do this asana 3 times. You should practice empty stomach. Contraindication, anybody BP patients, blood pressure high or low, don't try this. In case you practice this, increase your blood pressure level. So don't do this. And anyone affecting the heart oriented issues, don't try this. This movement increase your energy level, your mind very calm. Your mind very calm means you can take any decision. It's 100% perfect decision. No confusion mind. Shall we start now? Before yoga, you do some preparation. It's a good for your in the posture. See, like this, gently grab, interlock the fingers or like this, whatever, just grab it. Spine should be right, gently cradle movement. So this is good for your hip opening, good for the joints. Any single posture have a preparation. So you do some preparation, then you do it so you can escape with the injuries. And relax. Now bend your knees, right leg under the left thigh, then left leg come to right side. Sit in Pasamuga cow face. Spine should be alright. Take a deep breath. Gently both arms go back, palms on the ground, hip up, as much as you can, hip up, hang your head, Kapalapathi. Relax. Om Shanti. Switch to opposite direction. Now left leg under the right thigh. Yes, maximum. There. Right leg come to left side. Sit in Pasamuga. Stretch your arms in front of you. Gently go back, palms facing away. Complete palms on the ground. Open your shoulder, open your chest. Gently lift your hip up, hip up, hip up. Then hang your hip. Now Kapalapathi. Relax, please. Deep breath. Om Shanti. Relax your legs. In case the aged person, or it's very hard for knee issues, so that kind of people, gently like this. Okay. Bend your legs, gently palms go back. Okay. Gently tabletop. Hip up, then hang your head, breathe. And relax. Om Shanti. Did you watch this video? I think you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe please. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Om Shanti.